ನಂದಿ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಾರ್ಹ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಂದಿ ಬಾಗಿಲು, ದಿ ಡೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಟುಡೇ we are presenting a beautiful G+1 independent house for sale in K. Channasandra, located in the fast developing residential belt of East Bengaluru near Hormao. This area has become one of the most preferred residential locations because of its excellent connectivity to IT corridors like Whitefield, Manyata Tech Park and the Outer Ring Road. Families prefer this locality because it offers a peaceful residential environment along with easy access to schools, hospitals, supermarkets and public transport. Now let's look at the property details. This house is built on a 30 by 40 site which is 1200 square feet and is a north facing property which many buyers prefer for good ventilation and vastu benefits. The building structure is ground floor, one floor, making it perfect both of living and rental income. On the ground floor, you have a comfortable 2 BHK house suitable for a small family with spacious living room, kitchen, bedrooms and bathrooms. On the first floor, there is another 2 BHK unit which can either be used for your extended family or rented out to generate monthly rental income. One of the biggest advantage of this property is water facility. This house has its own borewell, ensuring a reliable water supply throughout the year. Coming to the documentation, the property has BBMP, B Khata and E Khata ready, which makes it suitable for property registration and basic documentation requirement. Because of the location advantage and the growing demand in Hormao and K. Channasandra, properties in this area have shown steady appreciation in the recent years. The quoted price for this G+1 independent house is 1.65 CR and the price is slightly negotiable for serious buyers. ಸೈಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ಗಾಗಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.